Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So this is just a quick intro because I literally forgot to film an intro and outro for this video. So yeah, so for today I will be trying the TikTok DIYs. So that is like upcycling old clothes using TikTok hacks. Alright, so for today's video, I will be upcycling 3 old clothes that I own using the TikTok hacks I saw on TikTok. Alright, so some of this is a no-sew DIY, but some are with minimal saw. Saw. Alright, so to start off, I just lay down the shirt onto a flat surface and draw 2 straight lines where I want to cut it. In this case, I just used a ruler and a pen, but if you have fabric marker, that will be ideal to use. Then after so, I started cutting both sides. Then after that, I just draw broken lines where I want to put the holes on. And as you can see, I just slightly fold the fabric and cut it so that it will create the holes for the lace later on. And after that, I just cut 2 strings for the lace, but I'm not able to film that. So as you can see here, I'm already lacing the strings onto the project, and that's it. You just need to make a bow at the end. This is pretty much the same process on how we do our shoelace. Right, so for this project, I just draw 2 straight lines where I want to cut it with seam allowance, of course. And I started cutting it in both sides. After I'm done cutting all sides, I'll go ahead and start sewing this. So I will be sewing each side together, and I will just do a straight stitch because that's the only option I have available at this moment. And after that, I also prepared 2 strings for the strap of this project. Then I also hem the ends for a more polished result. Alright, so for this skirt, I'm planning on making this a set or coordinates. So I just mark 5 inches from the bottom of the skirt, and this is for the top part of the coordinates. And after I cut that, I just mark the skirt part. This is for the slit, obviously, because I think it will be cute. And I just hem the ends for more polished look. And after I hem the skirt part, I just attached a button for the top part, and this will serve as the closer to the top.
What do you build me up? Wrote a couple pages to let me down and mess me around in the worst of all.
Alright, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below which of these projects you'd love most. Bye! Have a good day!